Hūlúnbèi'ěr is a region that is governed as a prefecture-level city in northeastern Inner Mongolia in China. Its administrative center is located at Hailar District, its largest urban area. Major scenic features are the high steppes of the Hulun Buir grasslands, the Hulun and Buir lakes, and the Khingan range. Hulun Buir borders Russia to the north and West Mongolia to the south and west, Heilongjiang province to the east and Hinggan League to the direct south. Hulun Buir is a linguistically diverse area. Next to Mandarin Chinese, Mongolian dialects such as Khingan and Buir, the Mongolic language Daga, and some Tungusic languages are spoken there. History. During the Han Dynasty, Hulun Buir was part of the Liaodong Commandery. During the Qing Dynasty, Hulun Buir was part of Heilongjiang province. The 1858 Treaty of Haigun established today's approximate Sino-Russian border at a great loss to Heilongjiang's territory. In 1901, the Chinese Eastern Railway linked Hulun Buir to the rest of northeast China and to Russia and Far East. From 1912 to 1949, during the Republic of China period, Hulun Buir was part of Hinggan and Heilongjiang provinces. A treaty between the Russian Empire and the ROC on November 7, October 24, 1915 designated Hulun Buir a special region under Chinese sovereignty. But in practice Russia had partial control over day-to-day administration. In 1929, the Soviet Union broke this agreement and invaded Hulun Buir. After the Japanese occupation of China, Hulun Buir became part of the Japanese puppet state Manchukuo, which was not recognized by the Chinese. In the Chinese Civil War, the Communist Party of China gained the support of Inner Mongol leaders like Ulan Hu by promising the irredentist expansion of Inner Mongolia into areas that had majorities of Han and Manchu peoples. After the 1949 Communist Revolution, Hulun Buir was annexed into Inner Mongolia, but the region kept economic ties to the rest of the northeast via the Chinese Eastern Railway. During the Cultural Revolution, the parts of historical Manchuria inside Inner Mongolia were briefly restored to their original provinces. Hulun Buir was given back to Heilongjiang. From 1969 to 1979. Until October 10, 2001, Hulun Buir was administered as a Li. The area is 263,953 square kilometers and had a population of 2.710 million in 2004, while the gross domestic product was RMB 21.326 billion. The jurisdiction area of the city is larger than all but 8 Chinese province-level divisions. Although the actual urban agglomeration is just a very small part of the region, and the average population density of the area is very low. Names. The city was once a League of Inner Mongolia until the 10th of October 2001. During the Qing dynasty, it was known in Mandarin as Hulun Buir. Administrative subdivisions. Hulun Buir is divided into 13 different county-level jurisdictions, 1 district, 5 county-level cities, 4 banners and 3 autonomous banners. Hulun Buir is the largest city-named administrative division in the world based on land surface area. However, the continuous central urban and metropolitan area is limited to only Hailar District, which is almost 200 times smaller than prefecture city boundary. Hulun Buir is the grassland area between the lakes Hulun and Buir. Geography and climate. The city proper of Hulun Buir itself has a humid continental climate bordering on a subarctic climate, although the northern part of the prefecture-level city is solidly subarctic. Winters are long, very dry and severe due to the semi-permanent Siberian high, while summers are short, though very warm, and rather wet, due to the East Asian monsoon. At Hailar, the monthly 24-hour average temperature ranges from -25.1 degrees Celsius in January to 20.0 degrees Celsius in July, while the annual mean is -0.96 degrees Celsius, with at least 55% of possible sunshine in all months and an annual total greater than 2,700 hours. Sunny weather dominates year-round. Approximately 70% of the annual rainfall occurs during the 3 summer months. Demographics.